It's easy to lie with statistics. It's hard to tell the truth without statistic. We have all the right to disagree, but first let's explore together. My name is Monisa Hasnan. I am a data professional having over 10 years of a strong background in the tech industry. Here I will help you learn statistics for data science, beginners to advanced level. Statistics is a collection, analysis, and interpretation of data. There are two types of statistics. Data professionals use descriptive statistics to explore and summarize data, and inferential statistics to draw conclusions and make informed predictions about that data. Now, this is important. Whenever we collect data, we are not supposed to analyze whole data sets. In fact, most of the time, it's not even practical. So, we take samples and draw conclusions and predictions. In this video, we will learn the difference between both methods and how they can be used by data professionals to understand the data. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive stats is used to analyze and summarize data under study. It organizes data in a meaningful way. It helps you quickly understand the large amount of data. For example, you want to research subjects students prefer in your area or in your country. In order to find out whether they are interested in medicines, mathematics, stats, programming, or arts, you have to analyze data. Say there are around 10 million college students. It would be too expensive and time consuming to gather data from every single person. Instead, you can use a sample and survey only a subset of 10 million students. Keep in mind that your sample should be representative of your population. Otherwise, the conclusions you draw from your sample will be unreliable and possibly biased. A representative sample is a sample that accurately reflects the population. For example, if you only survey math majors or only student athletes, your sample will be representative of a your sample will not be representative of all college students. Later on, we will discuss the factors that go into choosing different sample size and how large sample size affect your results. For now, let's imagine you have decided to survey 1000 students instead of 10 million. Okay, there are two common forms of descriptive stats: visuals like graphs and tables, and summary stats. You might be familiar with data visualization such as histogram, scatter plots, and box plot. If not, no worries, follow me and we'll learn easily. Summary stats let you summarize your data using a single number. There are two main types of summary stats: measure of central tendency and measure of dispersion. Measure of central tendency, like the mean, let you describe the center of your data. Measure of dispersion, like standard deviation, let you describe the spread of your data set or the amount of variation in your data points. Stats like mean and standard deviations are used to describe and summarize data. But data professionals do more than just describe data. What they also do is conclude and make predictions. For this, they use inferential stats. Inferential stat is used to analyze sample data from population to make informed predictions and accurate estimates on the basis of that data. Population is data. Population is data included every possible value, and sample is a subset of that population. Data professionals use samples to make inference about population. For our previous examples, we will use a sample of 1000 students and compare and test and predict data. The population may be people, objects, or events. Inferential statistics is used to explain the chances of occurrence of an event. It attempts to conclude the population. Results are shown with the help of probability score. I hope you understand the basic concept of statistics and two types of statistics. Later on, we will discuss descriptive stats, inferential stats, probability, sampling, confidence intervals, hypothesis testings, and A/B testings, and many other concepts in detail with examples in upcoming videos. Thank you.